Before we delve into the specific breeds, let's quickly touch on why sheep are an excellent choice for small farms. Sheep are relatively low maintenance, adaptable to various climates, and can provide multiple sources of income, including wool, meat, and milk. Additionally, they are known for their calm nature, making them suitable for beginner farmers or families with young children. Now, let's move on to the top 5 sheep breeds. When choosing a breed, it's important to consider factors such as climate, purpose, wool, meat, or milk production, and the size of your farm. Let's discuss the breeds that are well suited for small-scale farming. The Dorper Sheep. Our first breed is the Dorper Sheep. Originally from South Africa, Dorpers are known for their adaptability to harsh climates. They have a thick coat that sheds naturally, reducing the need for shearing. Their meat is highly sought after for its exceptional flavor, making them a great choice for those interested in meat production. The Katahdin Sheep. Next up, we have the Katahdin Sheep. This breed, developed in the United States, is highly popular among small-scale farmers. Katahdins are hardy, low maintenance, and are known for their superior meat quality. They are also resistant to parasites, which is a significant advantage for farmers without extensive veterinary resources. The Shetland Sheep. Moving on, we have the Shetland Sheep. Originating from the Shetland Isles in Scotland, these sheep are well suited for small farms due to their smaller size. Despite their diminutive stature, they produce high-quality wool, making them a favorite among fiber enthusiasts. Additionally, Shetland Sheep are known for their friendly and docile temperament. The East Friesian Sheep. Our fourth breed on the list is the East Friesian Sheep. This breed is renowned for its exceptional milk production, making it an excellent choice for small-scale dairy operations. Originally from Germany, East Friesians are known for their high milk yields, sometimes exceeding 1,000 liters per lactation. They do require more intensive management compared to some other breeds, but the milk they produce is worth the effort. The Jacob Sheep. Last but not least, we have the Jacob Sheep. Known for their distinctive multi-horned appearance, Jacob Sheep are a captivating breed. They are suitable for small farms due to their smaller size and easy handling. In addition to their wool, Jacob Sheep also produce lean meat, making them a versatile option for farmers looking for both wool and meat production. Frequently asked questions. Now that we've covered the top 5 sheep breeds for small farms, let's address some frequently asked questions from our viewers. What is the best breed for wool production? If your primary focus is wool production, the Shetland Sheep is an excellent choice due to the quality and versatility of their fleece. Which breed requires the least maintenance? The Katahdin Sheep is known for its low-maintenance nature. Their resistance to parasites and adaptability to various environments make them an ideal breed for farmers looking for minimal maintenance. Can I raise multiple breeds of sheep on my small farm? Absolutely. Many farmers choose to raise multiple breeds on their small farms to diversify their products or cater to specific market demands. Just make sure you have adequate space and resources to accommodate the different breeds' needs. How many sheep should I start with on a small farm? The number of sheep you should start with depends on various factors, such as the size of your farm, available resources, and your experience level. It's recommended to start with a small flock, around 3 to 5 sheep, and gradually expand as you gain more knowledge and confidence in sheep farming. What are the key considerations for selecting sheep breeds for small farms? When selecting sheep breeds for small farms, it's crucial to consider factors such as climate adaptability, purpose, wool, meat, or milk production, temperament, and your own farming goals. Assess your farm's specific conditions and choose breeds that align with your objectives and available resources. And there you have it, the top 5 sheep breeds for small farms. Whether you're interested in wool, meat, milk, or simply having these gentle creatures on your farm, there's a breed that suits your needs. Remember to thoroughly research each breed's requirements and consult with experienced farmers or local agricultural extension services for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more farming tips and guides. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with sheep farming in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy farming!